The posts invite disaffection beyond mere insult. Okay? Dangerous abuse of influence risking public distrust. Okay? Oh. So, meron kaming, wag niyo sunugin ang House of Representatives bukas, may privilege speech pa ako sa Lunes. Okay. Nakakatawa, di ba? Kaya lang, this is said in the context of Nepal. Okay? It's said in the context of Nepal. And alam niyo ang nangyari sa Nepal. Sinunog yung House of Representatives. Responsibly, they inspire. When spoken recklessly, they destroy. Okay, he chose the destructive path, no? Weaponized official platforms to denigrate government, betrayed the dignity of office and public trust by posting crude and lewd contents, no? So let's see what he has been posting.
Wow.
So ayan, sawa na ako sa mga bitches. Gusto ko na yung mga good girl na loyal, kahit 3 lang, masaya na ako. Woo! Then you look at the picture she is posting. Yung mag-awain ba yun ng matinong congressman? Woo! Honestly, I'm not interested in basketball. Napunta lang ako sa mga basketball opening para panoorin ng mga muse na nagja-jumbo hotdog. Woo! Yan ba yung kilo siya ng matinong congressman? Yan ba yung papayagan natin? Woo! For sale, Kiko, fuckboy. Woo! You know, this is out in social media. It demeans women and it offends me. Woo! I know he is not well. But we cannot allow this behavior to be unresponded to Kailangan magsalita tayo. Hindi pwede yung ganyan. Hindi pwede babuyin yung mga babae natin, kababaihan natin ng ganyan. We live in a decent society. We're trying to develop good moral character in our children. This is not helping. And he is a congressman. Woo! He is using his official website to say these things. Woo! Alam niyo, tinan niyo yan. Oh, sige, go. Oh. Yan, maggaganyan ka ng pera. Tama bang behavior ng congressman yan? Eto nga tayo, ang dami binabatikos dito dahil mga ganyan tungkol sa pera. Tapos ganyan, papayagan namin yan. Dahil he is not well. Woo! People in the finance sector of the respective financial institutions, i-research nila yung Pilipinas. Ano ba yung mga congressmen sa Pilipinas? Lalabas yung mga sinasabi niya. So it causes damage, not just to the people around him, not just to his family, not just to his party. It causes damage to the country and the society as a whole. We have to define the standards of behavior that we can demand from different congressmen. Not just ourselves, but everybody.
Wow.
This is not respect. It is not even disrespect. You know, it is crazy. Woo! Oh, mga ganyan. Imagine, Mayor Alice Go, alam naman natin, this is a Chinese plant. Tapos, is potentially a sissy, but I still think she's cute. Ano yun? Tinitrivialize mo? Treason to the, being a traitor to the national government? Papabayaan natin yan. Woo! Kinausap namin ng nanay, sabi niya, hindi ko makontrol yung bata wala daw magagawa, but somebody has to discipline this boy.